Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to see Vivid 2024 in Darling Harbour today. We'll come back again in another vlog for Opera House and the other places. Today we are going to Darling Harbour and let's get started. Wow, this is a giant cage. So big.
Listen to the music, you'll know when to go. Yeah, okay. DJ, track number 7. Okay, I have to look myself. Kind of cool, DJ. Oh, go, roll ahead. That's the point! Everybody give Billy a massive round of applause! Billy, that was awesome. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. Keep it going.